That was awesome.
Try it again. Ryder, do it one more time.
You're young.
Do it again. Ryder, let her have the piece again. Whoa!
No, I'll do it.
No, you don't have insurance.
I'll do it. She doesn't either. She's a child.
She heals faster.
I heal fast.
You don't heal at all. Ryder, give her that piece real quick.
Give it to her real fast. Let her do it again.
Give it to Claricia real fast.
Fail.
Fail.
Are those Ryder's shoes? What are those from?
Those are Ryder's. Those are Zach's old ones.
Zach's old ones, really? Oh, bonk. Pot, because I'm a pothole. Dun, 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 dun.
Move, Eli.
Just run and jump on it. Throw your weight on the back.
Eli, move.
Better.
Wasn't as good as the first one.